Hey, it's Miggy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm on a mission to make marketing in Google fun and easy for everyone. The idea is to inspire business owners, marketers, online coaches, and freelancers to explore the very complicated and interesting world of Google advertising. Every week, I will be uploading short and sweet video lectures on Google advertising, everything that you need to know in 6 minutes or less. I will also be uploading easy to follow video tutorials in case you also want to know how to set up your own Google advertising. I'm going to give you like a nice overview of that. And of course, I will be providing free resources like ebooks, templates, cheat sheets, other guides that you might need to help you scale your advertising faster. Now, I'm not an expert, but I love to tinker around with all of these marketing tools, and Google is one of the most interesting ones out there. I think it's an absolutely underappreciated platform. I think Facebook gets way too much love, and Google tends to, kind of fly under the radar. So we're gonna go on this really nice journey together as we both learn side by side, and together we're gonna make it great. Don't forget to hit subscribe and visit my website.